Hello guys, this is Maddox here. Today we are doing something a little different today. Today I'm right here at General Truck Sales in Toledo, Ohio. This is the first thing I want to show you in this dealer. I want to show you this Volvo VNL 760. Very nice. Wowee, look at that. And here's a Mac over there too. Show you what's next. Yep. So let's check out the inside of this bad boy. Now this is impressive.
Yeah. Maddox. It is. Oh, yeah. Look at this fanciness. It's not as big of a sleeper cab as I thought it would be.
Me neither.
Do you want me to take a picture of it?
Just taking this video real quick. I need this.
I'll light it up for you.
That is super cool.
Yeah, I bet you they put a TV there maybe, or is that a bunk that comes down?
Yeah, that's a bunk.
Oh, yeah.
It's a bunk that comes down.
Yeah, I see that. Oh, this is where the TV is mounted.
TV is mounted. Storage.
This is where I wonder if this comes out. What's over here? A little more storage. Fridge. Look at that.
That's just a fridge. Show you the next one.
Trade 60.
Right.
Leather seats.
Now let's
Nice
take a
stuff.
look at the inside of this thing.
189.
Oh!
It's a little bit cheaper because we've had it a little bit longer, and right now interest rates we're paying about $1,000 a month.
Wow. That is super amazing.
Oh, look at that. Sit down. How cool is that?
That is super cool.
Some drawers. Oh, is this the refrigerator?
Maybe it's locked.
Oh, just more shelves. Uh-huh.
More shelves.
Drawer. Refrigerator, I bet.
You're probably not sure where the...
Oh, well, it looks like it has some sort of lock thing on it, so I don't want to mess with it.
Okay.
Seat belts for when you sit here. Nice. Oh, and this has a little divider, so if you're sleeping on it, you can pull it out and probably put it over here.
Very cool.
Yeah, and it's got the curtains. Oh, look at that nice sunroof too.
Yes.
Did the other ones have a sunroof?
Sometimes.
Oh, I didn't see it on the ones inside.
I gotta
That's
see.
nice.
I have to relook on those videos.
Ooh, and look, I didn't even notice the mirrors. This is a big truck.
Yep.
seats.
I wanted to show you one more truck of this tour right here. Of course.
Wow. Ooh, did you sit in the seat? It like goes down. See, watch this. Watch this.
Whoa,
It like shock absorbs.
that's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool. Whoa. Got good pictures, got good footage. Awesome.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.